Get ready to ace your project planning game with this power-packed video and accompanying PPT resource. It's loaded with the ultimate collection of top-notch project plan templates that work across industries. You will get access to project plans with a solid roadmap, like this one tailored for software development, complete with in-depth feasibility analysis. Ready to streamline your project planning? Download our project plan, PPT Templates. Grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. It showcases a powerful annual project management plan with a timeline custom crafted for the construction industry. Using this slide can help you create a streamlined process. This comprehensive slide features a project management plan with a crystal clear financial projection for 4 quarters with a project scope. If you need a dashboard to consolidate your project on one page, this PPT slide is the best resource available. No more drowning in complex spreadsheets or losing sight of critical details. You can also document your project portfolio plan using this PowerPoint template entailing essentials like business need, financials, milestone schedule, and much more. Simplify your project planning with our PowerPoint project plan deck. Download it from the link below. Want more? You will get a dashboard that provides a centralized and visual overview of project progress, tasks, and key metrics, enabling efficient decision-making and effective communication. Also, get an Agile plan containing a sheet covering major sprints. It includes tasks like setting up staging environment, developing base team, deploying, and implementation KPIs. You will find a pre-designed template on project management plan with timeline and innovation programs. If you are looking for a one-stop solution for your project management needs, this tool is indispensable. For more such resources, visit www.slideteam.net.